keyword research is extremely important to your success on Amazon Kindle, because just like YouTube, Google, and every other platform, Instagram and all that, Amazon Kindle actually operates an algorithm that favors people who do proper keyword research. So it doesn't matter how popular you are or how new you are to Amazon Kindle. If you are able to hack the Amazon keyword research properly, then there is a chance that you'll be actually very successful on Amazon Kindle. All right. Now, there are a few things you need. First is a Google Sheet. The second is some Chrome extension I will show you. And then the third is called Amazon Sales Calculator. All right. Amazon Sales Calculator. Now, first thing first, let's understand what Amazon keyword is. Because whether you're famous or you're a famous author or this is your first time publishing on Kindle, keyword is one of the most important parts of book marketing. All right. Kindle keyword allow your book to be discovered by hungry book lovers and buyers shopping on the world's largest book market even while you sleep, right? So it allow your book to actually be located by people who are interested in buying books on Amazon. Now, Amazon Kindle is the largest bookshop in the planet, right? Absolutely the largest. No one comes close to it. Now, that's keyword research help help position your book in a way that the algorithm favors your book to be on the front page with little or no marketing. So if you're trying to write a book or have a beautiful book and you don't know how to get it yourself, this tutorial will come in handy for you. All right. Now, quickly to the point, there are a few things that you will actually need, and what you will learn from this tutorial is how to find profitable Kindle keywords, and then Kindle keyword tools that you will need, how to increase your book rankings and increase your sales. Now, but before then, there is something I need you to do for me. If this is your first time on this channel, do very well to hit on the subscribe button, and of course, the bell button, so that every time I drop a very essential tutorial like this, you'll be among the very first to get notified, because I do books like this. I create content like this on how to make money online every single day and week, right? So it's very important that you know this, and also it's also important for you to know that this tutorial is one module out of many modules I've created already for people who are interested in making money online using my strategies. Now, if you want to know more about those modules I've created, all you have to do is to send me a message or just drop a comment in the comment section highlighting your interest, and I'm going to send you an invite that will just lead you to how you can actually get these books. All right, so you can see these are all my books on Amazon, on YouTube. These are all my videos on YouTube, and how you can actually make money on YouTube. Now, without further ado, let's go on to what we have. You can see this is my book, Amazon Bookshelf. If you've written before on Amazon, you would be familiar with this and all that. You can see these are all books I've written on Amazon Kindle. Guide to weight loss after childbirth, the best paleo diet solution, weight loss, intermittent fasting, or the ultimate beekeeper's handbook, ultimate pocket. This is a low content book, intermittent fasting for women women above 60. Zombie coloring book. This is a low content book. Diabetes, food and blood sugar journal. Really different content I've written already on Amazon Kindle. You can have keyword here, search result here, volume here, and of course bestseller ranking. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come on Amazon and for you to do your keyword research and to search. Let's say we're searching for how to get pregnant. Now, one thing you need to know very well is that for you to actually succeed at this, you have to actually read or follow through on what I'm showing you from beginning to the end. Now, you can see clearly it's dropping some suggestion for me, because this is all about keyword. It's dropping some suggestion for me that is way beyond what I searched for. Now, how do you get this suggestion? If you're on Amazon and you search like this, you might not get all of this suggestion. Now, let me use a different browser to do that, right? Let's just search for Amazon and see what it brings for us. Give it a minute to load. Give it a minute to load. Then it will open for us like this. So let's just search for how to get pregnant and see. You can see, rather, how to get pregnant. You can see clearly it's not showing the same way it was showing on the other browser for me. You can see this is just some plain how to get pregnant, but here you can see it's showing different. This is kind of pink, this is kind of blue, and these are all different Amazon. These are all showing. These are all different Amazon keyword that are showing, and that's because I have an extension, a Chrome extension. So what you want to do is to come on your Chrome browser, right, and actually type this, which I'll do right now, right in front of you. You have to look for the Chrome extension. It's called Amazon Suggestion Expander. Then you click on search. You can see it's here, Amazon Suggestion Expander. It's a Chrome extension that you would need. So all you have to do is you can see how it's showing so many extra keywords and all that. So all you have to do is to come here and click on add to Chrome. And then you see, you come here and click on add. And it will be added to your Chrome extension. That way, when you search on Amazon Kindle, you're going to see something like this, just like mine, just like the way mine is showing. That's how you would see it on Amazon Kindle. Give it some minutes to load. I don't know why my network is slow today. This is how it's going. Yours is going to look. All right. Another thing you would need on that Chrome extension, you would need is keyword everywhere. All right. So I'm just going to put search for keyword extension and search. So you see keyword extension, extension here. You say to get your extension on all your computers, turn on sync. All I have to do is turn on sync, which means I have this already on my computer. You can see remove from Chrome. I have it already on my Chrome, so you just have to impute it. Amazon Suggestion Expander, and of course the other. All right, so that being done, what you want to do is to come here and search for how to get pregnant, right? That's what we're trying to search for, how to get pregnant. But then again, one of the very important thing I want you to do, make sure is that here, you make sure that it's all, everything here is showing all right, all. Then you come here and click on search, give it a minute to load, and then it will bring out these search books for you, all right? Now, what I want you to do or understand is that we're searching for a category here called all. So we're not choosing either digital deals, computers. No. We're searching for all, which means that there are going to be other things popping up here that are not even related to books. Remember, we're trying to search for keyword on Kindle, right? So now you can see there are different things here. Now, what you want to do of every time you come here to search is to make sure that there are at least 3 to 4 books whenever you search for a particular keyword on this all page. When it's all here, you make sure that there are at least 3 books here, right? That's one thing. The second thing you have to make sure of is that your search here is less than 1,000, because you're trying to make sure that you search for keywords that are not already in the market, keyword that can give you opportunity to actually make some really good money outside on Amazon, right? So you want to make sure that you're searching for a keyword that has low search volume. So you need to look for a keyword that is less than 1,000 in order for you to stand a chance. So in order to do that, you can see it's suggesting how to get pregnant fast. So I'm just going to click on how to get pregnant fast to see what it will do for us. Give it a minute to load. Good, very good. Now you can see here on how to get pregnant fast, it's showing us 1 to 48 of 292 search results, meaning that they are not up to 1,000 here, which is very good, right? Like I said, make sure that your search here is less than 1,000. That's the first thing. The second thing is to make sure that there are actually at least 2 books here, 2 books on this platform. So you can see the first one here is how to get pregnant fast. So I'm just going to open this on another tab. Then I'm going to search if there's any other book here also. Again, I mentioned you have to get at least 2 books here, at least 2 books. Then you want to come here. This is another book, so I'm just going to open this also. on another tab. Right, so I'm going to search again whether I would find an extra book here. So you see there's another book here, How to Get Pregnant Fast. I'm also going to open this on another browser, on another tab rather. Opening a new tab. Alright, so this is our book 1, this is our book 2, this is our book 3. For some reason my network is really lagging. So you can see it's open here. So what you want to do first of all is to go down and see bestseller ranking. You can see the top 100 book. You can see the bestseller ranking is 1,888. That's the bestseller ranking of this book. So let's see what's the bestseller ranking of other books that are in this category. Bestseller ranking here is 973 in obstetric. So what we want to do is very simple, right? I'm just going to come here and open my notepad. So the first one, we had a bestseller ranking of we have 973. So I'm going to go on my notepad and write it 973. All right. So let's see what the next one is saying. The bestseller ranking of the next one is 1,833. So I'm just going to copy that 1,833. I think I opened too many notepads. And I'll paste it here, 1,833. And then the third one, all right, to get our bestseller ranking, it's not showing here. All right, let's click on this. This is what we're looking for. Let's give it some time to load. All right, so let's go check for the bestseller ranking of this book. If it's showing, some books might not show you, so this is not showing, but that's pretty much easy. So what we want to do with our notepad is very simple. We want to add this together and divide it by 2. All right, we want to add this together and divide it by 2, right? Very, very simple. So what I want to do is I'm just going to bring out my calculator. All right, so what I would do on calculator is very simple. I'll just say 973 plus 1,88931 equals this. I'll divide this by 2. So you can see I have 94,952, which is actually good. You just have to have a bestseller ranking that is at least less than what? Less than 100,000. So bestseller ranking here, let's just say it's 98,000. Then of course the title of our book that we are searching for, right, is How to Get Pregnant Fast. So I'm just going to come here and write it, How to Get Pregnant Fast. All right, so we have that. So the search volume of course was 290, let's say 298 probably, or that's the search result that was shown. All right, so now you can see you have your keyword, which is how to get pregnant fast. You have your search result and you have your bestseller ranking. So what you want to do on Amazon is actually repeat this for at least 10 times, because you need that. Because it's until you've repeated this 10 times, that's when on the same, of course, the same niche, the same industry, that's when you'll be able to pick what book is the best. So let's assume the second one is How to Get Pregnant Naturally, right? Then the third one is Food for Fertility. Then the fourth one is Best Care to Get Pregnant. Mind you, these are all searches you have discovered that are less than 1,000 on Amazon, and also are actually ranking on the first page in book category, right? And then of course you do the search result here, you write the search result here, and then you write the bestseller rankings here and all that stuff, because this is very, very important. Now, the next thing you want to understand is that now that you've been able to do this, right, it's very important for you to know that this is how you've been able to gather your different keywords. Now you choose from it what you want your title, the title of your book to be like. So let's assume what we want our title, the title of our book to be How to Get Pregnant Fast. And do not worry, on Amazon, you don't have to worry about having the same title as somebody else. Nobody's going to beat you for that. However, just make sure that your subtitle is quite different. It's not the same. You don't have the same subtitle as the same subtitle is your subscript of your book, like the title of your book after your subtitle. For instance, this book here is Guide to Weight Loss, right? You can see Guide to Weight Loss. Then the subtitle is Losing the Baby Weight. Then this book is The Best Paleo Diet Solution. The subtitle is Lose Weight the Easy and Healthy Way with Fat Burning Food, Diet Guide, recipe and meal guides. All right, so that's what you want to make sure of, making sure that you have a lot of keyword here that you can now create your title for and create your keyword. Now there is another thing that I need you to understand, why you need to do a keyword research like that. If you come on Amazon here and click on create a book, which we will do, because in the next module I'm going to show you how you can actually format your book and how you can publish your book on Amazon Kindle. We want to come here and click on create paperback. So when you click on create paperback, this is where you get to actually fill in your book and upload your book. You can see book title, subtitle, author, input your pen name and all that, the description. But there is something called tags, and tags is very, very important. Now on these tags, this is where you get to input tags. For instance, on Amazon, on YouTube, even on this YouTube you are right now, before uploading any video, I have to input my tags. It happens with publishing blog posts, Amazon, even on Instagram. If you realize you publish something, they will ask you, do you want to add tags or something? So this is where you add your tags. So these tags are usually going to proceed from the searches you have already on keyword. For instance, if this is your title, right, you have to make sure that your subtitle does not, for instance, How to Get Pregnant Fast is your title. You can't use How to Get Pregnant Naturally as your subtitle. You have to find ways to make this natural, right? Probably Steps to Get Pregnant Naturally. You understand what I'm saying? Or Steps to Conceive Naturally. That should be your subtitle. And also, the tags that you're adding must actually be different from everything you input. That's because you want to cover so many broad keywords such that when somebody is searching for anything, remember that a search on Amazon is what is going to determine what is Amazon is going to be showing the potential buyer. So you want to make sure that you've covered a lot of category before you can actually go on to publish your book. So let's say we are copying this as our tag, and then we're coming on Amazon to add this as our tag. So this is my first tag. Now, if this is my first tag, the second tag must not have any word that is here or any keyword that is here. You can use for, but you cannot use fertility. Again, you cannot use food. So the next thing might be, easiest way to conceive. All right, and then, but of course, everything you're writing here would proceed out of the keyword research you've done, out of what you have already on your Excel sheet. Out of all the 10 research you do, or 15, depending on how much detail you are focusing on with the research. All right, so guys, that's for me the basic integral way you can actually go on to do your Amazon keyword research and come up with a very substantial keyword that is marketable and very profitable. Without further ado, I need you to start practicing, and I'm going to create the next episode for you where I get to show you how you can actually format your book and publish your book on Amazon Kindle. See you in the next episode.